Yo, what is up? Back with me again, Hyunjin, and I'm gonna continue our last discussion about how to answer the um, math, English math questions that um, people facing to pass the university test. So again, I'm here with unknown teenager who will help me
Hello, everybody.
ask questions one by one. And I think we're gonna start number 11 from unknown teenager. Let's go, boy.
Okay, so yeah, back with me again. The funny guy who always do the math. Yeah, I'm funny. Wait. Okay, and tape. Okay, shall we begin? So it's first we got the 25, 49, 64, 36. And next one, 9, 81, 25, 16. And then the last one, 25, 64, 144, and 36. What do all these numbers all have in common? They all can be rooted. Like this, all right? Do it to everything. So let's just call this a 5, and then this should be 7. 7. This should be um wait
Hey,
wait a minute. I'm sorry.
I think you should like decrease the thicker of like the thick.
How do I do it?
You should
Oh yeah,
choose
oh
the
yeah. I did.
annotate and then the
Oh
format
yeah.
line width.
Oh yeah. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So yeah, this
Chill.
is um 7. Okay, 7. This is 5. This is 8. This is 3. Oh no, 6. My bad. So all we had to do was just draw a line right here and draw a line. This is plus, and this is plus 2. It's good news. So 7 plus 8 minus uh minus 5 plus 6 is 4.
4.
4, okay, 4. Okay, get it? Let's move on to the next square to check the pattern, all right? Okay, so this is 9, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. So this should be 14 minus 7. So 7. And right now, of course, excuse me, can you move the cursor? Okay,
Sure.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is 6. This is 12. This is 5. This is 8. You know, and this is so 20. Yeah, you know why is it 20, right? Okay. 20 minus 11, and it's 9. Very, very easy. Nah, wait. Wait. Go down. Okay. Cool. I guess it's 9.
Yeah,
So
pretty good
Yunjin.
explanation from the unknown teenager. And I'm gonna continue with number 12. First thing
12.
first,
Okay.
I'm gonna
12. Let's
erase
go,
this
my friend.
first. Okay, I'm gonna erase this first.
Yeah.
Okay, and we move on to the next questions, number 12. So it also uh, it is circle. It also has pattern, same as the previous question, and we're gonna determine the pattern. You have to be sensitive enough to determine, because sometimes it has 2 or 3 pattern, but didn't come up with the result. And with the first circle, we can um, just randomly found, or you can just guess one by one the pattern using, you can use, I'm so sorry, you can use multiply, plus, or reduce, or even divide. You can also determine the pattern using the extra pattern like root or rank.
Okay.
So I have found that the pattern is when you multiply the side, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, and um, after that um, you can add up to 5, so it comes up 29. It has a diverse pattern, like you can use any uh, formula of the patterns, like you can use each one of it. You just have to be sensitive enough what patterns use to make the result in the center of the circle, and you have to make sure your pattern is same with another circle. And after that, we're gonna reduce by 7, so it comes up with 22, and we're gonna apply the same pattern to another circle to make sure if it's correct, or we're gonna change the pattern later. So same as the previous one, we're gonna multiply 6 by 8, so it comes up with 48. And 48 plus 11 is 59, and 59 minus 13 is
46.
46. So as you can see here, it can be applied, so the pattern is correct, and we're just gonna use the same pattern to the question circle. First, I'm gonna cover these things up so we can You can just write it on here. So 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Then 35 plus 8 is 43. After that, 43 reduced by 10. So it is 33. So the answer is B. Yep, that's how we
Okay.
gotta answer this type of questions, especially for the round shape or circle shape. So next questions. Unknown teenager gonna solve
Okay.
the next one.
Okay. My turn. Well, can you get it down? Well, so we can see. Okay. So here we got a beautiful circle, right? It's very beautiful and it's very mysterious. Because some things in life are mysterious and beautiful. So let's just solve it.
Well, you're not gonna share those poems over time.
Mm. I get a little poetic sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
And now you're getting into a gang accent, something like Crips or Blood.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying? Okay, quit the plane. Let's just, okay. So here we go. This is how you do it. So 36, how you get a 3? 36 plus 18 per 36 minus 18 is 54 per 18. And we have a 3, okay? Here's a 3. Okay, and then we have, you know, the third circle. 45 plus 27 per 45 minus 27 is 72 per 18. It's 4. Okay, it's 4. Okay, 4. So we do the same them. Okay, 72 plus x. This is how we do it. Okay, this is how we do it, everybody.
This is how we
72
do it.
plus x per 72 minus x is 8. Okay, it's 8.
So the X
Wait a
was
minute, go check my phone. And then oh yeah, it's 72 plus x is equals 8 times 72 minus 8x. Okay, so we have 72 times 1 minus 8, and it means equals minus 9x. Okay, and then we have minus 8 minus 7 x. 56 8. Done. So the answer is 56.
Okay.
In case someone's wondering how we get this 1 minus 8, we switch it. Okay, the 8 times 72 goes here, and x 7 and the plus x goes here. So it's a trade. Okay, it's a trade, trading place. That's how we do it. So yeah,
Yeah.
I guess that's clear.
So they have to hone their algebra skills, right?
Yeah,
They
it's
do
actually
have to
just
improve.
thinking skill.
Yep. Switching skills, they have to improve them before taking any test like this.
Hmm.
And we're done with number 13, so we're gonna proceed
Yes.
into number 14. But first, I'm gonna erase this first.
Okay.
So, okay. So, this times, it is a different type of question, not like
Okay.
the
Let's
previous
go, my man.
one. And I'm gonna solve it for you. So, the questions list here is if fx are 5x 5x rank 2 minus 3 and fx but plus with a it is 5x rank 2 plus 30x plus 42. So first we're gonna um, we're gonna write it down again. The fx is 5x rank 2 minus 3 and fxa plus a is 5x rank 2 plus 30x plus 42. And so what I'm gonna do is just add up the previous formula to the new formulas to make a completion for new completion. So I'm gonna add it up with fx plus a 5, and we're gonna change the x. We're gonna move. We're gonna divide like the place of the x by multiplying by 5. So I'm just gonna put it in the cage. I'm gonna put it in the brackets. It's 2ax plus 8 rank 2 minus
Okay.
3. And then the next thing is I'm gonna expand divide
Okay. Smart move.
sheet. So okay, let's continue again. So the next thing is I'm still gonna brought it down the fx plus a and find the completions, and I'm just gonna multiply the 5, so it comes up with 10ax multiplied by 5 and 5a rank 2 minus 3, because we're not gonna multiply the 3, we're not gonna time the 3 with 5 because it is outside the brackets. And we're gonna complete this. So we're gonna change the opposite direction of this formula into the description show here. The description shows here is 5 plus 30x plus 42 is 5x rank 2 plus 4ax plus 5x rank 2 in 3. So after a long time of switching, we're gonna determine that the 30x is 10ax, and we can switch by dividing by 10x, because it is ax, so you can divide the 30x by 10x. So we had found the a, it is 30 divided by 10, so it was 3. So
Okay.
the answer is
Well,
D.
voila.
Okay, that's how we're gonna answer these questions, this type of questions. And we're gonna move on to number 15 with
15.
unknown teenager.
Okay, 15. This is kind of hard. Okay, I only learned it by today, I guess. It takes some time, but if you put time into it, you can just learn pretty fast. Okay, first I gotta do just like what my friend do, throw something, throw the box. Oh, thank you for doing that to me. That's nice. Okay. Okay. So um wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. So H0 is 4. H0 is 4. And wait a minute. And if x is 2, x is 2, and y is h2, and also is a 0, that means f1 is 1. Okay, and then we have the fx when the x is 1. Okay, fx when the x is 1. When the x is 1, or if the x is 1, y is f1. So it means the f1 is 1. So g2 means 3. Okay, understand, right? So all we need to do is just put in the formula h0 minus 3 f1 and 1 is 1. Okay, it's 1. And then we have minus, wait a minute, my phone will ring. Okay, wait a minute. So yeah, just gonna delete it a little. I guess I'm wrong. Kind of forget it. So this is g minus 2. So it's I write down here. No. Actually, this right here is cool. Minus 3, 1 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 times minus 2. And it means the answer is 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, I guess that's it for number 15. And back to my friend.
Okay, so we're done with struggling to answer the figure because it is kind of hard questions that can be appear in the university test like this. You have to use the high thinking order skills.
Yeah, use your brain and use your logic.
Like
No
we're
need
not
to formula.
we're not dealing only with formula but also our logic.
Hmm.
And we're gonna continue to number 16, but first I'm gonna erase this first. Okay, and make another box here, number 16. So I'm gonna draw the box to cover this advertisement. And so we're gonna solve number 16. Okay, it is known that fx is minus 1 per 3x for every non-zero real number. If fa is minus 1 per 9 and f a ab is minus 1 per 18, then what is the number to fill b? What is b? So all we got to do is just adding up every description. You have to use every description because all of them is very important. And we're gonna start. First thing, we're gonna, of course, writing down the questions so you will not forget if it's in the middle of completion. So I'm gonna write it down 3x and I'm gonna add up to the FA. So we're gonna change this x because it is fx and I'm gonna add up to fa. So it means that the x we're gonna switch place with what I'm saying is not a switch place, but we're gonna change the position of uh, x. So I'm gonna change 3x with 3a. Okay, and I'm gonna write because the fx is change or switch with fa. So fa is 1 per 9 minus 1 per 9. And I'm also gonna add up the fx that has been added to the fa. have been changed the structure. So I'm gonna add minus 1 per 3a. And we can, as you can see here, we can already guess how much is a. So I'm gonna simplify the 3a into, I'm gonna divide it by 3. So it means a 1 per 9. I'm sorry. We're also gonna divide the 9 into 3. We're gonna divide the 9 by 3, so it means that 1 per 3 are the same with 1 per a. So the a is 3, of course. Okay, we already found that the a is 3. And we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, I'm gonna add up the fx as the previous one, 1 per 3x. So we already found the a, and I'm gonna adding up into the FAB minus 3AB. So it listed here is the FAB is minus 1 per 18. Of course, I didn't mention it before. We're gonna change the X into AB, so it means that 1 per 3 AB. Okay, next thing is 1 per 18 is 1 minus 1 per 3, because we already found the A is 3. We're gonna put on the A here into 3. Multiply 3 multiplied by 3 and multiply by B. Okay. The answer is 1 per 18 is same as minus 1 per 9b. So we can conclude here 9b is minus 18. So the b is minus 18 divided by 9. So the b has comes up with minus 2. So the answer is C.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll go to number 17.
17. Your
Yeah.
turn.
Yeah, it's very easy actually.
Yeah, but sometimes when we didn't know the connotation, we
So
cannot.
we don't. Okay. So okay, continue. You talk first. Finish what you
That's
want.
okay.
Okay. So sorry for cutting you. So the main point of this is not about numbers. It's just Mercury, Mars, and planets. So planets. So Mercury and Mars are parts of planets, but they are not part of each other. They are not. Mars is not part of Mercury, or Mercury is part of Mars. No, they are both separated. So the answer is B. The big circle is a planet, and the two mini circles are Mars and Mercury.
Okay, it is pretty simple here, which
Yeah,
only takes a few seconds to you for you
like a
to answer.
10, I think.
Yep, it's pretty simple here, and didn't need any kind of like you didn't have to write it down anything. You just have to um, watch this shapes and put it into the description. Yep, but it also sometimes tricky because we're getting confused to like to translate the shape into the questions. Okay, we'll move on to the next question, number 18. First things first, I'm gonna draw a box to cover up this advertisement. Okay, so it is explained here which of the house 150 house in a certain development, and 60% of it have an air conditioning. So I'm gonna write down 150 house, 150 H, and 50% of the house have a sun porch and 30% have a swimming pool. If 5 of the house have all these amenities or facility, and 5 have none of them, how many of the houses have exactly 2 of these amenities or facilities? So we have to answer or solve which one has the 2 facilities, any kind of it, if it's sun porch and AC, or AC with swimming pool, as long as have 2 of them. So we're gonna determine first, it is 60% of them have AC. So people have AC means that 150 times 60. So the amount of house that have AC on it is 90. Okay, it is 90. Then the number of houses that has a sun porch in it is 50%. So the sun porch is 150 times 50. I'm sorry, 50% is 75. And we do the same with the swimming pool. Swimming, and it is 30% times 150. So it means that it is 45. Okay. So the next thing is we're gonna add these descriptions into some mathematical like mathematical completions, and I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change the house into an alphabetical. So here lays I'm sorry, the house because 5 of the house have all of these amenities. So it means that the houses who has 90, the 90 houses who has AC, we can reduce them by 5 because they already have all of these amenities. And also this sun porch 75 reduced 5, it is 70, and the swimming pool 45 reduced by 5, it is 40. Okay, I'm also gonna change the A, C, swimming pool, and sun porch into alphabetical. But first, I'm gonna make uh, a diagram, a circle diagram, for you to understand more easily than only a writing. I'm gonna make the diagram set here. Okay, I'm gonna make it here, and we're gonna choose the shape. It is pretty hard for you to draw in computer like this. So I'm gonna draw the circle. The circles explain or shows the number, I mean, uh, one of which the facility or amenities. So every circle stands for the amenities. Okay, I'm gonna change the circle, I mean the name of the facilities into this one is AC, so A for AC, and B for swimming pool, I mean, and C for the sun porch. Okay, and I'm also gonna put more alphabet to uh, to determine the slice of the circle. I'm gonna put it down D in orderly from the facilities A, B, C, D, F, I'm sorry, E, F, and this one is 5 because uh, five uh, 5 houses has all of the facilities, like they have all of the AC, sun porch, and swimming pool. Okay, we already conclude that AC has number of 85, and this one is 70, 40 after reduced by 5. So we can conclude here A plus B, only the A and B, not the uh, slice, plus C, plus D with the slice, plus E, plus F is 140. And A plus D and E this one, A plus D and E except the 5 is 85, and C plus D plus F is 70. And of course, the B plus E plus F is 40. And I'm gonna add this up, adding up this formula into the completions. So comes up with we have 2D here, we have 2E, and we have 2F. And it is 195. And we're gonna make it simply, we're gonna simplify it by reducing with the previous one. So we can get here D plus E plus F, because we only need the two, like the slice is 2 amenities. So it is 195 with 140 is 55. So the answer is D. Yeah, it is a pretty long journey for you to answer this type of questions. You have to make a diagram. You have to like think what was the questions asked you, and yeah, we're going to move into the next question.
All you need is just concentration and focus, you know.
Yeah,
You don't
really.
need a lot of manpower. You only need super amount of focus, like Superman's focus. Okay. So let's do this. Oh yeah, it's kind of easy, but yeah, let me try it. Okay, so here is 1 per x minus 1 per x plus 1 equal 1 per x plus 4. So let's just put it right here. 1 per x. Okay, put it in a cage. Is this called cage? Caging. So we put it in a cage.
You can also say it by brackets.
Oh, brackets. Okay, we put it in a bracket. Okay, put it in a bracket. And yeah, there you go. First one, yeah. It's how we do it. It's how we do it first. First, yeah. So, and then what we're going to do is time it right here, okay? X bracket, put in the bracket again, x plus 1 and then x equals x plus 4, and we all need to just times it, and then we put it in one place. We put it all behind the equal. So it's x quadrat. It's x ranks 2 plus x minus x minus, I'm sorry, this is minus x minus x minus 4 equals 0. Yeah, equals 0. And then we have x. So this will means x, because this gone, right? This gone, this gone, this 0, because plus x minus x is 0. So x ranks 2 minus x min 4, and we need to factorize it. X plus 2 and x minus 2. Because the answer is only minus, so our best answer is x is minus 2. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, a good explanation by the unknown teenager. Yeah, even we only can made or we can only write crappy handwriting here, but we have to make sure that our explanation is good enough for you to understand.
Yeah.
And I'm
We
gonna,
also struggle. We're the teachers and we still struggle. That's why there's no shame in trying. There's no shame in failing. We all fail, guys.
yep.
Okay,
Okay,
number 20.
number 20. Okay,
Yep.
it questioned here the value of 2 rank minus 14 plus 2 rank minus 15 plus 2 rank minus 16 plus 2 rank minus 17 divided by 5. It is how many times of value to uh, rank minus 17. So it means it is um, how many times to this one multiplied by how many times to get this value. Okay, so so I'm just gonna choose a symbol for the ask value to multiply 2 rank minus 17 into this value. I think it is has a pattern, of course, so I'm gonna use it as M. Okay, wait, I'm gonna throw one more rectangle here and I'm just gonna continue to write it. So it means that the M times 2 rank minus 17 is this value. So we're gonna list it one more time. I'm just gonna write it down here to make it easier. Divide it by 5. Okay. And then after switching um, switching the place and something, I didn't come up with any result. So the the trick is I found a way that you can just like multiply every side of it with So I'm just with the 2 rank minus 17. So I'm just gonna write it down, multiply again by, the 2 rank 17. To remove those minus rank here, I'm just gonna multiply it, and of course the other side with 2 rank 17, not minus rank 17. So I'm gonna write it again. So for 5, multiply by 2 17 to getting rid of those minus 17 rank, and it comes up with, so of course also the divided by 5. So I'm just gonna multiply this formula or pattern with 1 per 5. It has the same meaning with dividing it by 5. Okay, and I'm gonna multiply it with the rest. 2 rank minus 14, 2 minus 15, 2 minus 16, 2 minus 17, multiplied by 2 rank 17. And I'm just gonna erase it first to like to I mean like to I'm sorry, like to clean this screen, and I'm just gonna write it down the last completions. So it is m is 1 per 5, 14, 2 minus rank 15, plus 2 minus rank 16, plus 2 minus rank 17, multiplied by 2 rank 17. So if we multiply it by 2, because it has the same numbers, the like the primary numbers, it has the same numbers, it's 2. So all you're gonna do is just add up, or you can adding up the rank 17 into these rank numbers. So it means that 2 minus 14 rank plus rank 17, and also with the other ones is to multiply all of them into the cycle. So we had the completion of 2 minus 14 plus 17 is 3, and 2 minus 15, so it's 2. Has this a pattern of it. And we had the answer. We can guess it from here. It is 8 plus 4 plus 2, and 2 ranked by 0, because every number that rank by 0, it always comes up with 1. Okay, so 1 per 5 multiplied by 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 15. So 1 per 5 multiplied by 15 comes out with 3. So the answer is 3. And I'm a teenager. Can I also? I'm pretty. Um, I'm pretty exciting to just to explain other questions. Can I explain one more question?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. It's cool.
But the next number can solve 2 numbers at once.
Yeah. For because it's solved two, I solved two too. Fair point.
Okay. So we're moving into the next number 21. Okay, just gonna cover these things up. Square, also this one. Okay, it's pretty neat and clean. So the next number is, it is given here that A, B, and C are consecutive integers in increasing order of sizes. And if P is A per 5 minus B per 6, and keys B per 5 minus C per 6. Okay, so it is shown here that it is consecutive integers. So it means that the integers had orderly given, like they had a pattern. They will they will always increasing. They will always increase their numbers by a pattern, by um, by adding up the previous integers with a pattern which gradually increase. So we can conclude here the A is n. If the A is n, we can put the B is n plus 1 and m plus 2 and next one. So if P is A per 5 minus B per 6, it means that if A is n per 5 minus n plus 1 per 6, we can multiply it by using this method called times cross. You can times it by crossing it, and it will come up with the result 6n minus 5n plus 5 per divided by 30. So we can just minus it with the 5. So 6n minus by 5n, it means that it comes up with n, and the result of 6n minus I'm sorry, minus by 5, and of course the 5 is will come minus, not plus again, so it divided by 30. Okay, we had the first result here that can be used into the completions. So we're gonna save it up for later, and we're gonna move to the next description. So the key is B per 5 minus C per 6. So it means that the B is n plus 1. We're adding up a n plus 1 per 5 minus, because C is n plus 2, we're going to put it n plus 2 per 6. So the result is n plus 1 per 5 minus n plus 2 per 6 is 6n plus 6 minus 5n plus 10 divided by 30. So it comes up with blah 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 6 minus 4 divided by 30. I'm gonna save it for later here, so it means that P is n minus 5 per 30, and the key is n minus 4 per 30. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna erase it first. So, okay. I'm just gonna continue, we remember that n minus 5 per 3 is p and p is n minus 4 per 30. Okay, we'll move on to the like the what they have been questioned, what is the real questions are, because we already have the descriptions that involved in solving questions. So p minus p, it means that n minus 30, I mean minus 4 per divided by 30 and minus n minus 5 divided by 30. So it can be written like this per 30. So m minus n is 0 and minus 4 plus 5, I mean minus plus 5, I mean, oh, yeah, I mean minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So 1 divided by 30. And we don't have to make it into decimal or something. Yeah, we can use the charts, and yeah, here it is. It already had the answer, 1 per 30. Okay, we're done with number 21, and it is your turn, Anon Teenager, for number 22.
Okay, number 22.
Okay, it is, I think it is a unique
Okay.
type of questions here.
Oh, okay. So, what do we have here? Y is less than minus x plus 1, and y is less than half an x. Okay. First, we need to draw the line. Okay. Wait a minute, okay. Let me think. So first we need to draw a line, okay? We need to draw a line from here to here, but make it not connected. Okay. I'm sorry, it is not straight. Okay, I'm sorry. Away. And then we need to draw a line from here to here. Okay, here to here. And where I met? Right here. So we're just gonna, give a little kick here. This, like this. This. This is the colored part. And this part represents all the formula, right? Like this is the y less than minus x plus 1, and then y less than half and x. Okay, I'm sorry if it's not readable because of the this color, but it's definitely minus x plus 1, and here is half an x. Okay, and then here is y less than minus x plus 1, and then here is y half an x. Okay, so which one there is so which one which of the quadrant have no solution to the system? Here. Okay, here, because here, because the wait. I'm sorry. The answer is in the quadrant 2. Okay, the quadrant 2.
Wow.
In the quadrant 2, and why it is not, why the quadrant 2 finds no solution? Because as you can see, this is the color, the red is the color of the solution, this, the red is the solution to the question. So the solution is right here in number 1, number 2, number 1, number 3, number 1, number 4, and number 3. And number 2 got none of it. Okay, so here is the meeting part of the minus x plus 1, and this is the half an x. Okay, so yeah, that's it for number 22. Move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Gonna draw. I'm just gonna put up
The
the
picture.
question
Nah,
picture, and if you want to ask for the
I'll just
answer,
tell it to you if I know something.
I'm just gonna scroll it down.
I'll tell you if I need something. Thank you. So first we have the 3x. Okay, because the 3 is on the y, and to make to make a formula, to use this formula, you need to put the x in here and the y in here like this. Okay, so 3x plus y is 1. Yeah, 1y. We don't write the 1 because it's not necessary. Is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I'll do it. 3x plus y more than 3, because the colored side, the line side, the many line side is on the top. It's on the top of this line, on top of this big line. So yeah, that's why. And we have, on the second, we have the minus 4x. Okay, minus 4x plus 3y is bigger than minus 12. And also the answer is because they are in here. They are you know, the big line, the small lines, the lot of lines are here in the top of the big line. So that means it's more, okay? And why this have like strip, this have no strip? Because because the line right here, as you can see, is not complete. It's like there's a blank spot between it. There's a white spot between it, so it's not really complete. That's why. So the answer is, can you show it to the
Oh, yeah.
people? The down, get down. Okay, so the answer is E. Okay, get it?
Okay, the answer is E.
E.
Okay, and I'm gonna solve the next question. I'm gonna solve two of this, or we're gonna do it one for each other. Unknown teenager.
Yeah. Yes.
Are we gonna do it two of? I'm gonna do two of this, or we're gonna separate
Just one and one.
one
One
and
and
one.
one.
Okay. 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 I'm gonna solve the number 24 for all real numbers x and y. If x, these symbols here means that x not suitable for y. So it is not matched with y. X is not y. R or is x multiplied by x minus y. Then x not I'm gonna call it only not for not suitable. So not x not y. What is what is the completion or the result of x not multiplied by x not y? So okay. So I'm gonna put the question here. Oh, I think there is something wrong with my description before. I'm sorry, because it is not the symbols of not or not suitable, but it has own unique um, own unique logo or icon or symbols that use to explain the mathematical operation, the special mathematical operation. So it means that I'm gonna just call it a symbol. So symbol x symbol y. What is it? So I'm gonna add up the information. So I'm just gonna so I'm just gonna solve the operations inside the bracket first. So it means that this is x symbol. I'm gonna solve the inside the bracket. So x symbol y is x multiplied by y minus y. I mean, multiplied by x minus y. So, and down it, x symbol multiplied by, I mean, x symbol, x in the brackets, rank 2 minus x multiplied by y, because the x multiplied by x is x at rank 2, and y multiplied by x is xy. Okay, and this time the x, I'm gonna add the symbol. The symbol is x multiplied by x minus y, so we can put it here, x minus bracket x adding up to, I mean, rank 2 xy and through 2 brackets. Yeah, because we changed the structure with the symbol, and it comes up with x rank 2 minus x rank 3 plus x rank 2 multiplied by y. So the answer is, wait, I'm just gonna simplify it for you.
Actually, there's the answer.
So, oh, yeah, it already has
E.
the answer.
Don't need to simplify.
Yep, it's E. Yep, it's really simple but tricky sometimes.
Yeah,
And
sometimes.
I'm just gonna make it this part 2, this episode, into 25 questions, and we're gonna move 20, the 26
25.
until, yeah, I mean the 26 until 40 in the part 3. And here's
Okay.
the last questions. Number 25 will be solved
Okay.
by unknown teenager.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is just a symbol. Okay. It's a symbol. It's just it's just rect. It's just a triangle. Yeah, I forgot. It's just a triangle. It's just a triangle. This type of thing, this type of question, they usually have all kinds of symbol, like square or email symbol, or maybe reverse triangle, or maybe like hexagon. It don't matter, man. Don't be insecure about it. So all you gotta do is just follow the pattern, right here. So yeah, wait. Okay, I'll use this first, and then we have the, okay, first 6 plus 3 is 9. It's wrong. Okay, it's wrong. Okay. Wrong. Wrong. Okay, wrong. And then the second one, 6 minus 3 is 3, less than right. Okay, this is right because it includes a 3. Oh man. Okay, we move right here, okay. 6 3 less than 3. So we need to do like this, okay? Oh, I see the pattern. So you have to do a minus, you have to do like a plus, you have to do a lot of things. Okay, so this plus, okay, it's 9. 3. So, and then 6 minus 3 is 3. So it's right, okay. It's 3 less than 3, but this has like a line, so it means 3 included. So yeah, it's right. Yeah, just right check. Okay, I don't have a touch screen. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So here is wrong. And then the last one, 6 divided by 3, it's 2. And 3 is bigger than 2, so it's right. So right here, it means that the triangle represent the minus and dividing. So what represent the answer? It's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Wow.
Because
Okay.
first, 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 but 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so E, 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we already finished solving 15 questions with a, a different type of any of the questions. One of them has their own unique solving method. So I think we're done with the part 2, and we're gonna continue the rest of the numbers. I mean the 26 into 14, the rest 15 numbers into part 3. And thank you for watching. We're signing out. I'm Hyunjin.
So peace out. Peace out.
And Unknown Teenager. Peace out.
Yeah. Bye. Good night.